Let's unbox this Kiss Air blow dryer, a budget-friendly find for anyone who loves beauty on a budget. I always go for affordable options because they can work just as well as the high-end brands. Inside the box, we have 3 comb attachments for different styling needs, a scalp massager for relaxing salon-like experience at home, the user manual to guide you through all the features, and the blow dryer itself. The blow dryer itself is lightweight, sleek, and easy to handle, with multiple heat and speed settings. Plus these handy extras, it is great value for the price. Perfect if you want salon quality results without spending a fortune. Let me know in the comment section if you've used this Kiss Air blow dryer before, how it worked for you, if you like it or not. Let me know in the comment section below, and then how it works for you. Okay, so stay tuned for the part 2. If you like unboxing content like this or related content like this one, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I will be bringing you more valuable content on your way. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.